Let us see how to create this part in SolidWorks. So first we have to create a base plate of thickness 12 mm, and the diameter here it is 15 mm, and this diameter is 54. So let us draw a circle of 54 dia. Mm, Top plane, sketch, draw the circle, 54 dia. Now draw the tangent line, make it tangent. Now draw the circle here, make it tangent. Now make this point and center point horizontal. Now this diameter radius is 15, diameter 30. So width is 45. Auto trim option, trim this and mirror this entity. Draw the center line, select the entities, mirror entity, mirror about is select the center line. Okay, now trim this entity. Here trim the entity. Make it tangent. Now so the thickness is 12 mm. So extrude the sketch, 12 mm, enter. Now draw this cylinder of 54 dia and height is 40 from the base, that is 30 28. Extrude to 28 mm. Now 30 dia hole of 25 depth. 30, depth of 25. Extrude cut, line torsion, so 25. Next, we have to create a two holes here and here. That is two holes of 10 dia. Draw the circle, 10 dia, make it concentric. So extrude cut. Okay. So we have to mirror this whole this side. So go to the select the middle plane, mirror, feature to mirror is this. Okay. So this is how we created a part in SolidWorks. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.